The top 3 regrets in design projects. I'm going to let you know the top 3 regrets so that you don't make them in your design project. And we get you moving ahead and enjoying that vision of your home that you have. The number 1 top regret that homeowners have with their design project is, that's right, you guessed it, they didn't do it. They didn't do that home design project. They didn't do that upgrade to their living room, their kitchen, their master bathroom. They just didn't do it, and they lived in it. They lived in this condition while they're in the house. Don't be that person. Get it done. Enjoy it. Number 2, the top 2nd regret in a design project is they didn't do it the right way because they didn't use that interior designer. That's why they called me. Happens all the time. My clients came to me because they did it wrong and now they wanted help. They already started spending the money, or they've spent the money and they're wondering why it's not working out. They come to me and they're like, oh my God, why don't we just do it right the first time? You don't want that to be you, so give me a call or give an interior designer a call. And the top 3rd regret with their design project, not doing it sooner. Why didn't they do it sooner? I don't know. Just get it done. Enjoy it. You've already made this huge investment in your home. So I would say that enjoy your home, make it work for you, make it be the place that you want to be. You've put a huge investment in this home. It's got to be for you. Don't have a regret. Get it done. I've been an interior designer for over 15 years, helping luxury homeowners create design projects that are easy, stress-free, and I help them gain clarity through the confidence of working with me, making decisions, pushing forward with their projects. I can do that for you. Enjoy your home and let it be the best version that you can do.